kids, I hope that you all are doing studies very well at home and watched all the 4 videos that I have shared with you of this blog Home and Shelter. Students, now in this video, I am going to cover all the points that you have learned in your previous videos. So this is a kind of summary video. So let's start. Firstly, we learned about the home, the importance of home. Students, home gives us shelter from heat, cold, rain and animals. It gives us shelter from the robbers also. It is a place where we can share space together with our family friends and we can have fun with them. Someone who has no house to live in would not get shelter from nature. They may not have a safe place to sleep or a place to cook, bath and eat. Yes, students, and we also learned that we should help those people whose home got destroyed in flood. How can we help them? By collecting money to get their house repaired or reconstruction. Yes, students, we all have different kinds of houses. Wherever we will go, we will find different house from each other. Yes, so what are the different kinds of houses? See, all the different houses are built with different kinds of materials. Let's revise all these types of houses one by one. First one is a hut. Huts are mostly found in villages. They are made up of mud, bamboo, hay and leaves and we call it kacha houses also. Yes. Now the other one is pakka house. What is pakka house? These houses are mostly found in towns and cities. They are made of cement, brick and metals and we call it bungalow. Okay. Now the third is a kind of temporary house. Why is it temporary? Because this house can move from one place to another place and we call it caravans. Students, some people who travel a lot from one place to another live in this kind of house. It moves on wheel and it's sometimes drawn by a horse also. Okay. Now the fourth one is also a kind of temporary house. They are mostly made of cloth. People who move from one place to another place live in tents. Okay. Next one is also a temporary house, houseboat. This kind of house is found mostly in Kerala or Kashmir. These houses can move on water. Now students, next one is a kind of exciting house. This is igloo. Igloo is made up of ice and they are mostly found in a place with heavy snowfall. Okay students, so these are the different kinds of houses that are given in our content book. So houses can be different based on their design and what they are made up of. Then students, we learned that people living in small families might need a small house to live in, while big family may need a big house. Yes, sometimes in big cities, people may live in small flats also because of less space in cities. Yes, people live in different types of houses based on all these things. Students, see, mostly houses are made of wood, mud or cement. Yes, they are made using different materials, so they look different also. Mud houses are mostly seen in villages. They are cool from inside. That's why they mostly found in hot places, so that people living in mud houses can keep themselves cool in summers. Second is wood houses. They are mostly found in hills or the places with heavy rainfall. See, wood houses keep the people warm from inside. That's why mostly they are found in cool places, hill stations like Shimla and Manali. Okay students, now the third one is cement house. Cement house we already know that mostly found in cities. They may be a tall building or the bungalow also. Yes. Then students, we learned that we spend a lot of time in our homes. It is a place where we eat, sleep, dress, and spend time with our family. So, it is important to keep it clean. We can do this by putting all the garbage in the dustbin, washing dirty dishes from the kitchen in time, cleaning and sweeping the floors regularly, putting the things on their places. Yes, this will keep our homes clean, and as a result the surrounding will also remain clean and healthy. Students, would you like to live at a place which is dirty? No, we would not like to live. Yes, this can invite flies and mosquitoes, and it will spread the diseases also. So I hope you have learned the importance of cleaning the house. So students, this was our block 4, home and shelter. I hope that you have learned all the important points of this chapter. Now still, if you have any doubt, then you can ask me, you can call me also. And your homework is, you have to read this chapter again and try to solve your practice questions by yourself. Thank you students.